Bloomberg Audio Studios. Podcasts, radio, news.
The Stock Movers Report, your roundup of companies making moves in the stock market, harnessing the power of Bloomberg data.
I'm Alexis Christophers along with Paul Sweeney, and we want to toss it over to John Tucker now.
With Stocks on the Move.
Stocks on the Move.
One of our favorite podcasts here at Bloomberg. Let's start with Nvidia. They've entered into a licensing agreement with the AI chipmaker Groq, and they're going to also acquire some of the startup's executive team. Now, Groq says the founder and CEO, Jonathan Ross, the president, Sunny Madra, and other personnel will be joining Nvidia to help advance and scale the licensed inference technology. It seems to be in line with NVIDIA's push into AI inferencing. Bloomberg Intelligence, however, they write the PAC's price tag and exclusivity raised questions about the return on investment. Inferencing, I guess I'm going to have to explain that.
Yes, please do.
Carolyn Hyde's in the studio with us, too. So let me see if I get this right. This is the moment at which AI goes from learning stuff to actually real-world applications.
Precisely. You use the models, not train them.
Okay. All right. So Groq is going to continue as an independent company with a new chief executive. So that's that stock. Indian technology services provider Coforge agreeing to buy Encora, the enterprise value $2.35 billion. This is an all-stock deal, and it adds artificial intelligence, data, and product engineering expertise. The tech firm wants to reshape its services portfolio with the acquisition of the digital engineering company, which is based in the U.S. The transaction, when final, is going to mark one of the largest overseas acquisitions by an Indian IT player in recent years. India's $280 billion technology services industry is grappling with slowing demand in traditional outsourcing contracts. So Coforge's move signals a strategic pivot toward higher value digital engineering work. That's an area where Encora has built capabilities serving clients in software, healthcare, as well as fintech. And let's wrap up, Alexis, with Biohaven, based in Connecticut, falling this morning in pre-market trading. They had a mid-stage study of the company's experimental drug for the treatment of major depressive disorder. It missed the primary endpoint, so that's not good.
That is not good.
Sounds like it's not working.
Wow. Back to the drawing table. You mentioned earlier during the break Sidus Space.
Oh, yeah, the ticker symbol SIDU. They're based in Cape Canaveral, Florida.
Canaveral, yep. I actually I visited their offices because I interviewed their CEO, Carol Craig, a while back. Yeah. She was one of my trailblazers for a series I did on ABC. She is the first female founder of a space company to take it public on the NASDAQ. It was a really fascinating interview and great trip.
And also a defense company. Right. They have plans to raise capital through a public offering of their Class A shares, the common stock, and a pre-funded warrants. So it's a company to watch.
Sidus Space. Some people don't know how to say it. SIDUS. Sidus. It is Sidus, though.
Okay, I'll take your word for it. You are now currently the expert on Sidus.
Am I now, just by default, just because I've interviewed the CEO? But it was fascinating, the work that they're doing there. And it's really kind of neat to see a female head that up as well.
Yeah, okay. Another space company. Looking forward to it.
The Stock Movers Report from Bloomberg Radio. Check back with us throughout the day for the latest roundup of companies making news on Wall Street. And for the latest market-moving headlines, listen to Bloomberg Radio live. Catch us on YouTube, Bloomberg.com, and on Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with the Bloomberg Business app.